Hey guys, it's Kim. I'm back with part 3 and package 3 came in this lovely box. So let me open this up now. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, and then there is a package here. Oh, what could it be? And there's another little note in here. Let me get rid of the box. Paris and Eiffel Tower. Hi Kim, just a little note. This is the surprise part of your swap. I hope you like it. Huge hugs, lovely lady, Julie. Aw, I'm sure I'm going to love it. I don't think there's any fear of that. Okay, so let's do this first, and then we'll open this up because I have no idea what that is. So it looks like she's made me, oh, these are bags. I thought it was a banner. These are bags she's decorated. Oh, these are amazing. Julie, these are gorgeous. You know what? I think I'm going to keep like special things in these bags in my craft room. Look how beautiful that is. You do shabby so well. Well, I mean, you do gypsy and boho so well too. Like, oh my goodness, you are an incredible crafter. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I love the image. I'm sorry I'm quiet. I'm just... Oh, she's got fringe here, an eyelet, and this beautiful little lace here, and one of my favorite trims, the pink with the flowers going around the image. Oh, that's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, Julie. And bag number 2. Again, another beautiful image. Love this little applique piece here. And some bling, a little shabby bow at the bottom. Oh my gosh, and then a beautiful handmade flower on the back. Love this fabric. And then this beautiful trim. And look how pretty and shabby that is. That's just a piece of fabric there that she's frayed. And it's gorgeous. With the 2 little appliques there. These are amazing, Julie. My goodness. Oh, look at this. Love the image and the trim, a little bird. Oh my gosh, and look at this. That must be, it's like a butterfly almost, but I think it's part of a trim. It's got a little pink bow. That's so pretty. And I love these little flowers you've added. And this is a beautiful flower she's made. Dangle trim. Oh, and she cut that out of fabric. I love doing that too. I'm just frayed trim, but it looks so nice. It's so shabby and pretty. I love it. These bags are amazing, Julie. I love these. And they're drawstring bags. You can keep things in them. And that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep like super special bling and things in these. Oh, look at this one. I love that lady. And then some dangles. Looks like she maybe tea-dyed this one. And then some beautiful trims and pink bows at the top. Beautiful lace along here. And some pink fringe. And then the back has got this beautiful pink lace and some eyelet with pink ribbon. And look at this pink and white fringe here. That's gorgeous. Julie, these are amazing. I love these. I love these. Thank you so much. Those are beautiful. Okay, what's in here? I have no idea. And then this beautiful trim on here. My goodness. This is amazing trim. Let's look at that first before I see what's in here. This is beautiful. Look at this. Love that. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful, Julie. Thank you. Okay, what is it? Oh my gosh. It is a pin cushion. Oh my goodness, look at this. Okay, I'm just moving let me put these back in here. She has loaded this with pins. It is a shoe. Look at this. This is amazing. Look at the front. Oh my gosh. I love mint green and pink together. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. I love it. What a great surprise that is. Oh my goodness, and she's got the pearl trim along the side, but look at all the applique. She even did the bottom of the shoe with lace. And there's the heel, and then there's some trim here, and then here is a beautiful bling piece. Look at this. And then on the heel there's another flower here. The shoe itself is like a dusty pink color. How cool. I do not have anything like this. This is amazing. That's amazing. Look at that. That is going to go on my shelf, girl. Look at that. That's so cool. I love that. I love that. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful that is. And look at these pins. Look at this. That is huge. These are gorgeous stick pins, Julie. Wow. And then there's a couple of angel ones. Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. And then another big one. Look at this. Oh, I love that. Wow. I hope you like your surprise gift. And a lovely green one. And a blue one. Look at this. The flower. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. And oh my goodness, in where the pins go, there's an applique here, and look at the rhinestones. Let me just move that down. There's like rhinestones here with flowers. I love the feather. These stick pins are gorgeous. I hope you can see them. Oh, Julie, this is amazing. And then back here, let me take all these out so you can see the whole shoe. Oh, it's caught. There. Let me take all these out. I love stick pins. Thank you so much. And there you can see the top of the shoe. Look at that. And it's all pink and dusty rose and mint green. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful, Julie. Oh my gosh. That is like a work of art. And there's a rhinestone trim here with dangles. Look at the dangle on the front. That's like a necklace or something she's attached there. That's incredible. Wow. Oh my gosh, Julie, this is beautiful. It's gorgeous. I just... the work that has gone into this is just amazing. Well, into all of everything. Oh my gosh, Julie, this is incredible. And the beautiful pins, my goodness. These are amazing too. I love these big long ones. Those are very cool. I can't seem to find those over here, the big long ones. Jane Marge has sent me a couple of long ones too. This is just it's going to go on my shelf, and I'm going to keep all your stick pins here, and I can admire it every day. I have a shelf beside me. It's a big long shelf, and it has, you know, all the things that I've swapped or gifts from friends or whatever. So, oh my goodness, this is amazing. I mean, just the incredible work. I love it. I absolutely love it. I really do. It's so beautiful, Julie. Thank you so much. And I love these bags. I love these. These are so cool. Thank you for making those for me. I mean, just a great thing to put bling in. I'm gonna store some of the bling that you sent me in there too. From my last video, I will put the bling in there that you sent me. Oh my goodness. Okay, Julie, I'm just blown away. You're incredible. I will be back with a part 4. I will try and get part 4 uploaded tonight, but if I don't, I will do part 4 in the morning. That may happen. It's getting pretty dark in here. And I want to kind of tomorrow re-show you things in part 4 that maybe didn't get shown too well because of the light in here today. So I may do part 4 tomorrow when it's a bit brighter in here. But for now, thank you so much, Julie. I love my surprise. I think it's amazing. It's amazing. It's very cool. And I love everything that you've sent me. Thank you so much. And I will be back later, guys. Remember that Julie's YouTube channel is in the description box, so please go over and show her some YouTube love. Thank you, and thank you, Julie. Mwah. Be back soon. Bye for now.